Period poverty can be defined as inadequate access to menstrual hygiene products. It affects about 500 million people worldwide. Period poverty has wide-ranging negative impacts. For example, it can make it harder for those who menstruate to go to school and participate in daily life. Additionally, it can place a further economic strain on them if they have trouble getting to work. Not having products can induce stress upon one. Those who face period poverty were more likely to report being moderately or severely depressed.
The widespread issue of period poverty affects more than 500 women on a global scale. They lack access to adequate facilities for menstrual hygiene management and menstrual products. Period poverty is a global health crisis and requires attention in order to combat it.
Our first one that was really big and important was our bake sale in our school. It brought awareness to our cause, especially in around school, to our customers, to our teachers who asked what we were doing, to everyone that helped us. It was good for impacting the students to bring awareness to period poverty. In addition to that, our library drive, it brought whoever went to the library in our community was able to see the posters and able to donate anything that they thought would help us with our cause. And that created an impact in our community because all the items and the money that we got in donations, we ended up giving back to our community and people in need.
Our December Center for Food Action drive was one of our more successful solutions because it implemented a lot of community involvement within our own school as we connected with our guidance counselors and with other clubs, as well as involvement outside of our community and northern New Jersey, such as places in Wyckoff and Ramsey. In February, we had our Valentine's Day fundraiser drive, and that had the most community involvement within our own school. We communicated with the Medical Professionals Club. At the end of that drive, men and women both donated, so that greatly helped us defeat the stigma of period poverty. Our Instagram social media account was one of our greater solutions because it not only impacted people within the Mahwah community, but also people outside of Bergen County, outside of New Jersey even. We communicated with other Instagram accounts that had same goals as us, and we helped those around us by creating a voice.
Even though a great deal has been done locally and globally, there's still so much that we as a community need to do. We need to start by breaking the stigma that surrounds periods and provide people with factual information on menstruation. Next, we have to challenge laws and taxes that make it difficult for women to obtain period products. Period products should be just as free and commonplace as toilet paper in public bathrooms. Period poverty is a prevalent issue, and it has been for generations. 50% of the globe has menstruated or will menstruate at some point in their lives, so it's about time that we took action against period poverty.